end of July. It's been a pretty big month and I wanted to recap everything that we got up to at Hunting for George. First things first, we kicked the month off with a pretty massive announcement. We made a very big change in that we were no longer going to operate as an online retailer, but instead become a fully fledged creative media company. It was a massive change, really scary putting it out there, but you guys were just amazing. You were very supportive, very positive, and to be honest, the amount of feedback and commentary that we got was just incredible and insane. I spoke a little bit more about this, I guess, on a personal level, a little bit more deep and meaningful on my personal Instagram. I was absolutely terrified because I knew this was coming and I knew it was coming for a long time. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check that out. But yeah, that was a big change. That's what kicked off at the start of this month. As for house tours this month, we took you somewhere hot.
Oh my gosh, I'm hot. I think we should go inside again.
We took you somewhere cold. We should get people to turn their heaters on before we arrive. I literally can't feel like that half of my fingers. And we took you somewhere just right. Today I'm in my old hood, Elwood, which I happen to think is the best place to live in Melbourne. That's a big call, I know, but I went there. First up, we took you to Renaissance in Bali in Uluwatu. That was the first resort we have ever shot. It was probably the biggest resort I think I've ever been to.
Let's go find our room. Maybe I'll go this way. We're getting lost.
And we did it all in one take. Yeah. Then we took you to the home in the mountains, the beautiful Tucketts Road in Mount Macedon. That was just silly awesome. It was just so cool, so big, and I've got to admit, I'm kind of disappointed with my pool efforts. I mean, I really thought I was going to be good at that billiards table, but I just really sucked. Yeah. Nailed it. Like, I'm pretty sure the white ball is not meant to go into the hole on the first shot, but you know, that happened. But I think my favorite of all home tours this month was definitely the home in Elwood, Maritimo. That was just the most beautiful home. I am a little bit biased because honestly, I think Elwood is just divine. It's like, I wish I still lived in Elwood, basically.
This is where you get to enjoy Elwood.
But it was the most beautiful home, amazing interiors, and it really was a treat. Plus, I got to raid the liquor cabinet as well, and I got stuck into the gin, so win-win. Next, we also launched our wrap-up of the AGM Expo 19, which was hosted by Friends and Associates. I was personally very excited and very proud to partner with Friends and Associates, aka Dale Hardiman and Tom Skehan. Those two boys, they are just such talents within their own right. They're both running their own companies and making their own furniture and designs and amazing things and just being awesome humans. And then on the side of that, they're also really passionate about bringing up the new wave of designers, and I just think that is amazing, and I was really happy to put that out there.
Like, we weren't the young designers anymore, and it felt like we should be doing something for the young designers.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
The patron saints of design.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
I shall coin you that forever.
Yeah, I mean,
we put together a wrap. It was a 15-minute wrap. It probably could have been more like a 2-hour feature film, but we didn't have enough time. But it really was pretty incredible. I hope you enjoyed it. We really just wanted to bring a really real, honest, fun video together to showcase some of the best in Australian contemporary design. Quite the mouthful. We also did a giveaway this month with Muse. We featured their new glass lumen planter, and there were 5 lucky winners. Let me find out who they were. So here we are. 5 winners: Omni Design, Eggy the Eggs Benedict, Madeline Jane Roberts, GC Willis, and the Thirsty Gardener. So congrats to those guys. That was an Instagram competition, and you guys all won 2 of the new Muse lumen glass planters, which I happen to have one here. Let's take a look. Very cool. Oh, I'm sure there's an easier way to do this. Oh yeah, there is. Oh, here we go. Look at that beauty. That is really beautiful. So this has got a lovely little dish. So you could use this as a vase planter. You could pot straight into it with soil. I'm a fan of just hanging succulents and things. Maybe some devil's ivy. I might pot that up later. So we had quite a few other house features as well. You guys were loving the Silhouette Height house by Figure Architects, and I do not blame you because it's absolutely ridiculously sexy hot house porn. So let me have a look here at some of the comments. Can we move in? White Muse design? Probably, I don't know, you'd have to ask them. My kind of house in my kind of suburb. Justy Coleman, totally get you. Vanessa Dawes says, I am so in love with timber, tan and black. Aren't we all, Vanessa Dawes? Aren't we all? What have we got here? The most absolutely gorgeous house I've ever seen. It's a Marie. Totally agree with you. Love all of this. Rolly guacamole. By the way, best Insta name ever. Lot of love, lot of tags. Then there's OMG, love, star emoji, and avo emoji. Is it because it's delicious? The other thing that we featured as well was that really cool curved new resi design by Woodmarsh and V Leader. You guys loved it as well. It had a really cool vibe to it. They built it so it kind of looked like it was its own singular mansion, but there's actually 16 apartments on that block. I love reading all the comments that you guys leave on Instagram. I find them so awesome. Here's one from Piers.s, who used to be our old coffee guy. Not that he's not old, he just used to make our coffee for him. He said, fun fact, I helped build that house. He's talking about the Earl Residence by JCB Architects, which was pretty damn hot and awesome. Some really nice comments as well about the AGM Expo. Kate Lee loved this exhibition tour. What an incredible showcase of Australian design. You're welcome, Kate Lee. Thank you very much. Thanks for noticing. Keep the comments coming. I love reading them. I love knowing what you guys think. AGM Expo this year was a 90s space theme, and so I was very inspired by that, so much so that I made a playlist. It's called Space Jam Social. It is the best. I'm just saying. It starts off with the bad starman himself, David Bowie, and it's pretty much inspired by AGM Expo combined with Stranger Things, combined with just being a kid in the 80s and like other weird random stuff. Okay, enough of that. So next month we have another epic month for you. We've got more Let Us In home tours. We're going to be heading to Glade-Wright for a cheeky beach house visit.
Hello, beach home of my dreams.
The other thing I'm going to be looking at is kitchens. I want some more kitchen inspo, mainly because I need it for myself. I need to make my kitchen look better than it currently does. I just want to make our kitchen look less shit. So I'm going to be asking a few people how they create a really good looking kitchen. So watch out for that. We've also got a giveaway happening right now. We're giving away 2 tickets to the Run the World conference, which is happening on the 31st of August. It's basically an epic day. It's in Melbourne. It's a whole lineup of amazing female speakers that are going to be talking about business, life, and everything in between. I'm involved in it. Pretty excited, also a little bit terrified. So if you're looking for some inspiration, make sure you head along to it, and if you want to win, head to huntingforgeorge.com, enter your details, and we'll be announcing the winners shortly. So good luck for that, and thank you so much for following along this month. We've got another epic ripper month coming up for you. I am actually really excited about August. It's going to be epic. You guys really are an awesome community. A girl could not ask for a better community of followers. Thank you so much. Keep watching, keep following, keep sharing, keep commenting, and make sure if you want us to do something, visit somewhere, talk about something, just let us know in the comments below. And we'll catch you next time. Bye.